Shweta Singh and welcome back to my channel Wise Veeda. Today we're going to understand about different doshas in our body. In spite of these terms are very famous and common, still very few know what exactly it means. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get into the video. We all are having same types of body with same types of organs in it performing similar function. Still we are so different from each other. We have different perspective, we have different choices, different taste, and we like different things. So what is the thing that makes us so different from each other? It is actually the fundamental doshas in our body which govern our choices. Before discussing about the doshas, let's talk about the 5 elements. Those 5 elements are earth, fire, water, air and space. Everything in the universe is made up of these 5 elements. And when I say that things are made up of these 5 elements, means they are having the qualities similar to them. Let's talk about our own body. Our body is having all 5 types of elements, and it combines in a very unique way inside our body to form these fundamental doshas that are Vata dosha, Pitta dosha and Kapha dosha. Each one of these doshas are primarily formed of 2 main elements. Let's talk about first, that is the Vata dosha. It is primarily formed of air and space and is expressed in our body in the form of creativity, movement and breathing. Whatever process that is taking place in our body, whether it is a flow of blood through blood vessels or different creative ideas that keep coming up in our mind, or during the process of breathing, when the inhalation and the exhalation is done, it's all because of the Vata dosha. The second dosha is the Pitta dosha, that is primarily formed of the fire and water element and is expressed in our body in the form of digestion and intelligence. Digestion is a process of transformation in which the food that we eat is converted into simpler form so that our body can absorb it, and for that we require a digestive fire, and that's again a form of energy. At psychological level, the intelligence in our body is again responsible because of the Pitta dosha. The last dosha in our body is a Kapha dosha, which is mainly formed by the earth and water element and is expressed in our body in the form of lubrication, basic structure and the feeling of love. Since it is having the element earth in it, that is why it is responsible for giving the structure to our body. The natural moisture that is present in our body, or the fluid that is present between the 2 joints, is because of the Kapha dosha. The feeling of love, affection or the humbleness is again responsible because of the Kapha dosha in our body. These were the characteristics of each doshas in our body. Remember that our body is having all 3 types of doshas but in different ratio. That is why we are so different from each other. For example, suppose if someone is having more Vata dosh than Pitta and Kapha, then that person will be very much creative, motion loving, talkative, very reactive to the situation. Secondly, if someone is having more Pitta dosh than Vata and Kapha dosh, then that person will be more intelligent, very much ambitious, loves spicy food and gets angry to the situation very quickly. But remember, that doesn't mean that the Vata people cannot be intelligent. Like I told you, our body is having all 3 types of doshas in it, but the dominance is what that matters. Vata people can also be intelligent and ambitious because of the Pitta dosh they are having, but he or she will have more characters of Vata than Pitta. Thirdly, if someone is having more Kapha dosh than the rest of the 2, then that person would be very calm, very much loving, slow, loves sleeping and are not very much reactive to the situation. Based on the characters of all 3 doshas, you can find your nature or someone else's nature that we call as Prakriti, that which dosha is dominant in us. If you find this topic interesting, you can even go through it in detail from the link that is present in the description box to find your dosha type. Once you'll find your dosha type, you can govern your personality better. and this will help you improve your social, physical and mental lifestyle. We all are having different ratios of these doshas, and that is why we have to follow different habits or patterns to enhance our lifestyle. Be it from sleeping habits to eating habits, everything is different for different doshas people. So this was all about the different doshas in our body governing our behavior towards other person or towards the nature and even our internal behavior. Okay, so if you like this video and find it interesting, do like it, share it and subscribe to the channel.